Welcome back to yet another video on cooking with Anadi. Today I'll be making a really delicious homemade chicken Seekh Kebab. So let's get started right now. So here I have about 8 ounces of my chicken mince, and to this I'll add in my chopped green chilies and cilantro, and then my red onions, which is finely chopped, and finally some ginger garlic paste. Next I'm gonna add in my spices. So first some degi mirch, turmeric, salt and garam masala. And for a final ingredient we'll squeeze in half a lime just to really kick it up a notch. And now give this all a really nice mix and blend those ingredients together. So we're going to thread the meat into a skewer. Now the bigger skewer you have, the better, like the thickness. But I have like thin wooden ones, but it still works out. Just pay attention on how I'm forming the mince around the skewer and you'll be on your way. So I'll take half the mince. I'm holding the skewer on my left hand. I'll start forming the sausage right around, and it's in there right now. I'm just squeezing and elongating the sausage with the skewer. And now make sure to kind of pat your mince with a paper towel to get excess moisture out, because unlike lamb or beef, chicken and turkey have a lot more moisture content in their mince form, which makes it harder for you to like thread it onto a skewer. So here I have mustard oil heating on medium heat. I'm using mustard oil today because I've been finding lately that it really adds an immense amount of flavor and really enhances the ingredients as compared to something like vegetable oil or olive oil. You want to let the oil smoke so that the bitterness of the oil has gone. The next into this we're going to add in our skewer like that. Second one. And we're going to turn this after the first side has a nice golden brown color. I'm just turning, making sure each side has got a nice color. You can use the meat thermometer to check if it's 165 inside. So Seekh Kebabs are ready and it looks truly beautiful. I'm gonna make this into a wrap, some homemade white roti, and turn it into a Seekh Kebab roll, which is one of my favorites. Some onion, fresh tomato. So there you have it, guys. That's one of my favorite and really simple recipe to make Seekh Kebabs at home. You can really modify this to any meat of your preference, such as turkey, chicken, or even lamb. I used it to make a really delicious chicken kati roll today, but you can use it as a starter with like maybe a chicken tikka masala for dinner, with a starter of or a side of Seekh Kebabs, and it's a really delicious and simple recipe. I hope you guys like this video. You can see more videos like this by clicking the notification bell down below so you get notified, and you can subscribe to my channel by clicking the link down and see more awesome videos just like this. Until then, I'll see you guys again on the next one.